Imagine creating unlimited, watermark-free AI images and turning them into videos all without paying a single dollar. That's exactly what I'm about to show you today. A hidden AI tool that's completely free, insanely fast, and barely anyone is using right now. If you've been struggling with tools like Meta AI, this will be a total game changer for you. And the best part, you don't even need to sign up or log in to start creating. Let's dive in. Comment the tool you currently use to generate AI photos and videos. I bet this is way better.
This tool is called Vheer AI. You can find it simply by going to Google, typing in Vheer AI, and clicking on the first result. That's it. No complicated sign-up, no daily credit limits, just pure, unlimited creation. When you open it up, you'll see options like text to image, image to image, image to video, context editor, plus other extra tools. But in this tutorial, I'll show you how to generate free AI images and then animate them into videos, step by step. First, let's generate an image. Click on Text to Image, then AI Text to Image Generator. Here's where your prompt comes in. Prompts are everything with this tool. The better your description, the better your results. I actually used ChatGPT to help me craft a detailed one.
I'll paste in my prompt. Now, I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 because I want it to be in a YouTube video format. Then, hit Generate.
A few moments later.
And look at this. The AI just created this beautiful, detailed image completely for free. If you aren't satisfied with the results, you can regenerate the image. Once you're happy, simply hit the download button to save it to your device. I also tested this tool with some other prompts, and it actually did a really good job.
Now, let's animate it and turn it into a video. Go back to the menu, select Image to Video, then tap Generate Video from Image. Upload the image you just created from your device. After it loads, scroll down to the Video Prompt section. This is where you tell the AI what motion you want to see. For example, I'll type, "Make the avatar smile and wave to the camera."
Hit Generate and give it a few seconds.
And just like that, our static image is now moving animation with our avatar fully animated. You could even kick it up a notch to create a full kid's story. One of my favorite features about this tool is that it generates without adding any watermark. How cool is that? You can repeat the same steps to create multiple images and animate each one. I generated a few earlier, and you can see how they each turned into awesome videos instantly. And here's a pro tip. You don't even have to use Vheer AI's images. You can generate higher quality images from tools like Meta AI or Midjourney, then upload them here to animate. The quality still holds up beautifully. One thing I love about Vheer AI is that, unlike Meta AI, you can actually control the animation. For example, you can tell Vheer AI to add simple motions like walking or even talking, and it will. With Meta AI, you don't really have that kind of control. That flexibility is what makes this tool stand out. So that's how you can use Vheer AI to generate unlimited AI images and transform them into animated videos, all for free. No watermarks, no sign-up required. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like, share this video with someone who needs it, and subscribe because I'll be showing you even more AI tools like this. And if you want to learn how to create realistic AI voices that sounds even better than 11 Labs with AI for free, check out the video linked in the description or on the screen. Thanks for watching. Now go try it yourself and let me know what you create.